Hi students, now we are going to see introduction to trigonometry. From that, trigonometry ratio, trigonometry identity, what is mean by trigonometry. Okay, before that please subscribe our channel. Hi students, today we are going to see chapter 8, introduction to trigonometry. Okay, first of all we came to know first what is mean by trigonometry. So trigonometry means that tri means 3. Already we know that tri means 3. Gon means side or angles. According to we are going to find what we are going to find according to that angles or side. Then metron means measure. So what is mean by trigonometry? We are going to measure by the 3 angles or 3 sides. Okay, that is called trigonometry. Understood? In this chapter, next we are going to see trigonometry ratios. Okay, 6 ratios are there. First one is the name is sine. Okay, we are going to measure the angle. So sine theta. Second one is cos theta. Third one is tan theta. Fourth one is cosecant theta. Fifth one is secant theta. Last tan theta. Inverse is cot theta. What is mean by cot means cotangent. It is the meaning of cotangent. Tan means it is the meaning of tangent. Okay, this is the meaning of cosine. Okay, this is secant, cosecant. It is the meaning cosecant. We are saying cosecant. It is a full name. Okay, somebody are saying this is a sin theta. We don't want to say like that. It is sin theta. Okay, understood. Next we are going to see trigonometry identities. Okay, here right angle triangle ABC. Always we are going to use here right angle triangle only. Okay, so sin theta identity, it is very important. So listen carefully. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, it is sin theta is inverse to cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is equal to inverse. So hypotenuse divided by opposite side. These two identity understood. Next, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, what is the inverse of cos theta? Already I said secant theta. So secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay, next tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent. What is the inverse? Cot. Cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. These rules are very important, these identities. So now we have one doubt. What doubt? Sir, which is opposite, which is hypotenuse, which is adjacent, which is hypotenuse, like this. Okay, we came to know always the slanting side is hypotenuse. So it is a slanting side. It is a slanting side, so it is a hypotenuse. Now it is very important. Now adjacent and opposite. Which is adjacent and opposite mean that Suppose they are asking angle A, we have to find means sine A. This is opposite to BC side. So it is opposite side. Suppose angle A means here opposite. Okay. Okay. Angle opposite side is called opposite side. Okay. Next, what is the remaining? Adjacent. So here adjacent side. Clear. Suppose now if they are asking angle they are given here, angle they are given in C, mean that what is the opposite side? In this angle, which side is opposite? AB. So here opposite side. Then this is the adjacent side. Hypotenuse never will be changed. Clear. What is adjacent, what is opposite side? Understood? Next, note this point. Suppose sine square theta is there, means we can write as a sine theta the whole square. Both are equal. At the same time, sine inverse theta is there, means sine theta whole inverse we can't write. It is not equal. Sine inverse theta mean that which one? 1 by cosecant theta. Sine inverse of sine is cosecant. Inverse of cosecant is sine. Clear. This is not only for this identity, all the identities. Clear. Sine square theta is there, means we can write as a sine theta the whole square.